Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Life Adventure Overlanding. We left you last video in the Ozarks of Arkansas at the camp spot we found at the Devil's Knob. If you missed it, be sure to go watch that video of our first 2 days. Today we will continue our adventure through the Ozarks.
The sun comes up, the road fades away. Another trail calling us today. Through the mountains, rivers and the pines, adventure ways beyond the county line.
As we wake up on this cool morning on the Devil's Knob, we start getting the coffee pouring and soak in the last views of the mountain and plan a day's route. The day's plans are take Car Wash Falls Trail, go see an old homestead dated 1800s, and, of course, lunch at our cafe. We will see scenic trails and water crossings once again. So off we go on the trail to start our adventure. If you enjoy this type of adventures, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. A little help can go a long ways. Car Wash Falls is an easy trail. Four-wheel drive and high clearance is not needed in most cases, but on high water times or bad weather events, it would be wise to have it, as water can get deep at the river crossings of snow or ice on the steep hills. It is a narrow, 2-track trail, and passing should be done with extreme awareness. To far over, and you could roll off the drop-off into the river. We did see one Jeep that had done just that. A few other Jeeps had just recovered them back onto the trail when we passed. Thankfully, the driver was okay. As we make our way down to Car Wash Falls, we take notice of many camp spot opportunities along the way. We will have to come back later on to camp at one we like. Hopefully nobody will have a claim by then. This is Car Wash Falls, where the waterfall overlaps the trail and allows you to drive right under it. Just another hidden gem in the Ozarks you got to see in person. We have now arrived at the homestead, and lucky us, the owner was there. He is always happy to give a tour. We did not film the inside, as other people was also touring at the same time. This is Bub's cabin. We now head back out on the trail to a special lunch spot, another hidden gem of the Ozarks. Just wait till you see this place. We have now arrived at Ozark Cafe, home of the Ozark burgers and homemade pies, and it is the best food you will ever have. After overeating lunch, we head back to the trail to go try find a camp spot. We already know what one we want, just hope nobody has claimed it yet.
This is the campsite I wanted.
And lucky us, we got it, and we have it all to ourselves. A nice big riverfront camp with a view. You just can't beat this. We will for sure have us a relaxing night here and enjoy the Ozarks for our last night. As we set up camp, let's explore and see the area. As we relax at camp, we think back and soak in the adventure we had over the past 3 days. The Ozarks is just full of hidden gems and a great escape from the busy world. Just you, nature, and the adventure you find. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to stick around and subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure. Feel free to stay to the end and watch our remaining evening. And as we say bye to the Ozarks, till next time.